homies!
Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be talking about our dinosaur things. So we have one truck with a dinosaur head, 16 little dinosaurs, and 3 little dinosaurs.
There's 6 eggs, 2 rocks, 2 palm trees, 2 logs, and 9 pieces of fencing. And there's also 1 giant mat, so you could play on it.
And you can have fun with the truck, do whatever you want, and you can also play and have fun and do all that stuff.
Thank you so much, Toys for You, for sending us this awesome dinosaur toys.
Make sure you subscribe so you can win your free dinosaur set
Today.
So it has a cool dinosaur head, and the reason why it holds all the dinosaurs is because it's the dinosaurs are not that big, and there's a little bit little, but they're still big except for the little ones. And all the big dinosaurs kind of don't fit, but it's still an awesome truck, and yeah.
This truck can open by the top and by the back of the truck, so you could fit all the dinosaurs in however you need to or however you want. The little eggs can go in by setting a dinosaur in behind the eggs, so the eggs don't roll around everywhere.
Or you could put it in a certain spot and they won't fall out unless the back is broke off.
If all the dinosaurs don't fit, you could simply just put their tails or head through the cracks, so they can all simply just fit.
And if they don't fit, then they're gonna get stuck, or they could get stuck if their head is too big and does not fit.
You could also use the truck for storing all your dinosaurs in there when you're done playing.
Make sure to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell.
And we hope you enjoyed watching the video. And thank you so much, Toys for You, for sending us this awesome toy. And always remember, keep your chin up and never give up. Thanks for watching.
Bye! See you later, alligator. Later!